Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. In this video we are going to move on in our testing journey using the Laravel Dusk, and we are testing the application that we created with Laravel View Inertia and Tialwind CSS. And we have done so far the login functionality testing, and user can create category and can delete a category. You can see here, and from now on we are going to move on to testing the other functionalities. So we are going to go ahead and create a test for user can view the edit fetch, edit category fetch, and then user can delete or user can update a category. So we are going to create a test for that. I'm going to go ahead and go to create test.php file that we created in the previous video for adding a test for the operations related to category. So here you can see we are deleting a category, and in this one we are going to go to user can edit a category. So in this thing is mine, and here you have to visit the category, and after that we were deleting the category by that ID, and I guess we can do the same for the edit one. So if I go to the list.view, you can see here we have an ID passing the, just like we did for the delete one, we can add the same ID for the edit as well. So if I copy this and paste this right here, then we are here we are going to identify this element. Can we add a string, like, so that we can, if I do it this way, edit dash and then or underscore or something like that, and then the category on the edit button. So what we can do is we are going to identify this element, and before I do that I'm going to try that out on the UI as well. So I'm going to migrate Parish dash seed and view that in the UI so that we can make sure that we are able to view that. So I'm going to go ahead and register a new account, and both of the servers are running. So I'm going to register. Using the fact failure to register a new user, then going to category, and we already have some categories. And if I edit or check the edit page, let's see if we have that ID. So you can see here ID equals to edit underscore and then that UUID. So we are going to identify this element via this ID, and if I go back to the test, here I can add that ID. So edit underscore and then this ID. So now if I click on this edit button, it's gonna go ahead and like show me the palm where I can edit that, right? You can close this. So we can make sure that the test is passing by checking this edit category, edit context category string or message. So we are gonna wait for that, and then we will assert that we can see that. So I'm gonna save this and let's run the test and see if that works. Okay, so the delete test has been failed, and maybe because we have only one category. Maybe we can create two categories for now. So here actually the ID1 category is deleted above, you can see. So what we are going to do is I'm going to store this in a variable, let's say category, and then use that in this. So use and passing the category, the other category, and then finding that category. So we can directly get the UUID as well from because we have the object, the category object. But let's grab the ID and then get it like this. So this way we store that in a variable, and after that we use that and pass it to this browse function, and then we are going to find that category and get the UUID. But we can get it directly, as I mentioned before. So let's try it that way, and if that did not work, then we will try this way. So I'm going to save this and try the script again. I'm going to close the existing one and run the PHP artisan Dusk. Now the edit test has passed and the delete one is now failing. So maybe we can use the same thing for the delete one. So I'm gonna come here and store this in a variable. Let's say $category, the same name because this is a different method. So I'm gonna use that right here as well. So I'm gonna use the $category, and here I'm gonna get the UUID from that variable, and I'm gonna rerun the test. Okay, so the delete test is again failed. Let's see if we have any screenshot. Okay, we do have one screenshot. Maybe we can add delete string to that so that it can like uniquely identify that. So if I do one thing like delete underscore and then the category UUID, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the to this one as well, to the view file. So string delete underscore plus the category UUID, and rerunning the test, clearing the screen, and PHP artisan Dusk. Okay, so now the tests are fast, and now what we are going to do is we are going to create a test for the updating the category. So see you in the next video.